wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil mursalin sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi washabihi abadu. Honorable Bianim Fenomidana, the accepted learning respectable all of teachers of MTS Al-Quran learning the respectable my family. Today I want to explain about coughing is a defense mechanism of the body in the respiratory system. The occurrence of coughing is only a symptom of a disease or the body's reaction to disorders in the respiratory tract by various foreign objects that enter it. Coughing occurs due to certain stimuli. Coughing is an early symptom of influenza and asthma. In addition, coughing is the first way to spread tuberculosis. Coughing can be caused by allergies in the respiratory tract. This allergy can appear due to stimulation from food, dust, animal hair, or pollen on flower. Coba begini. Kurang kan.
Kurang gitu.
Nah, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Coughing is divided into acute cough and chronic cough. Acute cough is a cough that lasts no more than 3 weeks. Most acute cough will heal on. Subacute cough is a cough that lasts for 3 until 8 weeks. Meanwhile, chronic cough is a cough that occurs for more than 8 weeks. Most often occurs in smokers, pulmonary tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or gastroesophageal reflux disease. Most will recover or at least improve significantly within 2 weeks. If you have a cough that does not improve within that time, see a doctor as this may be a symptom of a more serious problem. If additional symptoms develop, contact your doctor as soon as possible. Symptoms to watch out for include fever, chest pain, headache, throat signs, confusion, coughing up blood, or difficulty. Breathing requires immediate emergency medical attention. In addition, there are several other reasons to see a doctor immediately if you have a cough, including cough getting worse, swelling or lumps in the neck, laugh difficulty, swallowing, permanent voice change, difficulty breathing. Cough is one type of disease that can be cured using herbs and medicines. Cough can be cured by drinking honey mixed with boiled lime. This mixture of honey and lime is drink 3 times a day until the cough stops. Cough can also be treated by consuming pomegranate fruit and seeds. Ginger and turmeric contained in both spices can help reduce cough. Can also be cured by drinking boiled African leaf water. Okay, enough and thank you for the news. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.